Okay. Pretty good shake to it. Some air in the line. Was a lot worse. And quite a bit of white smoke. Has almost no power. I'm gonna give it a little throttle to show. And then I'm just gonna give it a little throttle here.